In this video, you will see us use a spectrophotometer to scan 3 different concentrations of a solution across all wavelengths of light. A spectrophotometer is a piece of equipment used in chemistry to scan samples of solutions by shining light through them and recording how much light gets absorbed at different wavelengths. When using a spectrophotometer, you will scan across all wavelengths of light so that you can find the lambda max. The lambda max is the wavelength where your sample absorbs the most light, and you can find this by identifying the highest peak on your graph that displays absorbance versus wavelength. The lambda max is also crucial for determining the concentration of a solution. This is because in the Beer-Lambert law, absorbance is directly proportional to the concentration. So if we can identify the absorbance of a sample, we can identify the concentration. To begin using the spectrophotometer, we will first put a blank cuvee in the spectrophotometer to zero out the machine. In this lab, our blank cuvee consists of only water, and by scanning the blank cuvee, we are telling the spectrophotometer to ignore the absorbance relating to the water and the cuvee itself. After our spectrophotometer has been zeroed out, we will then begin scanning our 3 different concentrations of our sample. To start, we will pick up our cuvee with the most concentrated solution in it. We will then clean the cuvee with chem wipes to remove any fingerprints or smudges that will potentially cause an error in our reading. After we have cleaned our cuvee with chem wipes, we will then place the cuvee into our spectrophotometer, ensuring the clean sides align with the light path, and close the lid. Once the lid is securely closed, we will then scan our solution and observe the graph that is presented on the screen that represents absorbance versus wavelength. After we have noted the results of the graph and ensured our data is reasonable, we will then remove our most concentrated solution and repeat the previous steps until we have scanned all cuvees in our series of dilutions.